In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur face on CapCut PC. So without any more time wastage, let's jump here. First, I'm going on CapCut and then I open up this is a software. Just click on import. Then I want to import a video from PC. Then you can see this is my video. Just click on and drag and drop your timeline. Then again click on the right button. Then click on copy. Then again paste on here. Okay, that's good. Now go to the effect section, just click on effects, then here are type blur, charge button, here are type blur. Then you can see this is a lots of blur options, so I click on second one. You can choose anyone, this is the same actually, just click on here. Okay, that's good. Now you need to select one and one, these two options, then click on the right button in your mouse, then click on create command clip. Okay, that's good. This is a method. Now select number one option, then go to the video section, then click on basic. So then go to the marks option, then you need to select a circle, example of this one. Wow, this is good. So I am back on the beginning and the video. Then you can see this is a now click on here. You can see these kids are moving right now. Yes, so now just go here again, video and basic, then click on add keyframe, then again click on play, then again click on keyframe, then go back here first keyframe, then you need to sum. Okay, that's good. Now again go on playing on. Now you need to click on keyframe, then again go back, then just it's moving right now. Again click on here, then add keyframe, then again you need to select this one. That's good. Then again, okay, again click on add frame, then you need to moving on here. So this is a method you can add keyframe on your video. If I playing at the beginning, okay, so I need to select here are a keyframe, then I want to add back on, then okay, this one. So I want to play again. You can see it's working really well, and this is a method you can add face blur marks on CapCut. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.